What is Form 8862 on Credit Karma Tax? Hi everyone, this is Alana from Create, Login and Delete. Let's jump right into the video. Form 8862, also known as the Information to Claim Certain Refundable Credits After Disallowance, is a form used to claim certain refundable tax credit after they have been disallowed in a previous tax year. These refundable tax credits include the Earned Income Tax Credit and Additional Child Tax Credit and the American Opportunity Tax Credit. If your claim for any of these refundable tax credits were denied in the previous tax year and you believe you are eligible to claim them in the current tax year, you may need to file Form 8862 along with your tax return. Form 8862 helps the IRS ensure that the taxpayers are eligible to claim these credits and prevent improper claims. On Credit Karma Tax, if you are required to file Form 8862, you're going to find the instructions to complete the tax preparation process. You will need to provide information about your previously disallowed claim and any changes in your circumstances that may affect your eligibility to claim these credits in the current tax year. It is important to notice that IRS disallowed your claim for any of these refundable tax credits in a previous tax year. You must file Form 8862 for the subsequent tax year in which you wish to claim these credits until the IRS notifies you otherwise. If you find any difficulty during this process, you can directly contact the customer support of Credit Karma. And that's it for this video. If you have any questions or confusions, do leave them on the comment section below. And don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.